Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set certain contacts to ring on Android while your cell phone is on silent. So you simply need to click here first, click on contacts and search for the number. So click here and make sure that you start that number. You can start as many number as you want. Then you need to go back, open settings of your smartphone and go into the sounds and vibration. Once you are here, click on do not disturb, turn that on, and here you can see some people can interrupt. Click here and click on calls, and here you can see I selected start contacts and repeat callers, so select that. And if you want, you can remove anyone from here as well. So you can see that you add contacts from here as well. So this is a process. I hope you like this video. Thank you.